Hare Krishna. Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Temple of Vedic Planetarium ki jai. From the chairman Amrish Prabhu and the rest of the TOP team, I am here personally in the hydroponic factory to give you an update what is happening, how enthusiastically everybody is working towards 2023, the opening of Narshingadev temple. Today we are here in the hydroponic factory where the coffered ceiling works are going on here in this factory. They are doing the hydroponic works on the GRG model, grass reinforced gypsum, which is going to go on the coffered ceiling of the Narshingadev dome. So this is the final completed hydrochromic product of the coffered ceiling, which will go on the top of the dome. The interior of the dome, this is the finished product, and I'm going to tell you the process, how the team is working to get this GRG into a final, a gold-plated hydrochromic painting on the GRG model. The first stage in the coffered ceiling is this GRG, which is the first stage in the coffered ceiling. Then we are having a primer coat on the GRG. After the primer coat, we are doing a base coat. From base coat, we are having a silver coat. After the silver coat, we are having the gold plated or gold coating of the hydrochromic on this GRG, which you see here, which is white. This is how the GRG coffered ceiling pieces are done in this factory, and 1375 pieces like this goes on the Lord Narshingadev dome, which will be opened in 2023. When you see up, you will see a golden dome made of these golden elements, the GRC elements. So this is what in this factory is being produced. I'm going to show more about the factory, how the actual process from the GRG mold to the golden mold, which is going to happen. The largest oven which does the hydrochromic, that is how you see the GRG mold is becoming gold here in this hydrochromic facility. I'm standing on the third floor of the main temple, the main wing, and if you look down, you can see all the coffered ceilings has been kept, and they are cleaning the coffered ceiling so they can take those coffered ceiling to the factory, to the hydrochromic factory, and they can do the gold molding, hydrochromic painting on these molds so that it can go on the top of the dome of Lord Narshingadev. Right now, I'm standing in front of the exterior of Narshingadev dome. You can see the GRC external elements are completely done, and the door frames are done. The doors has to come. It is being prepared in our workshop. The doors are going to come, and then I'm going to go inside and show you the interior of Lord Narshingadev dome, where the coffered ceilings which would go, all the golden mold which I showed you previously would go on this coffered ceiling in Narshingadev wing. So excited to go to the topmost point of the dome. I'm going to show you. I am here on the topmost point of the dome where we can physically climb, and you can see there are steel frames. 4,500 steel frames have been done to hold the GRG mold. The golden mold will come on all these frames. There are 12 layers. All you can see the diamond shape from small to bigger or from bigger to small. These diamond frames have been done to hold the gold painted coffered ceiling which I had shown you previously will come on these domes. And right now, the only thing which is left in the Narshingadev dome is the crown, which is in the making, and that would be also installed. Once this is done, you can see a beautiful golden dome. I am mixing the GRG which is used to make the mold, and from that mold we have done the hydrochromic painting. Once this mold is ready, it is then dried, and after drying the mold, it is taken to the hydrocoating factory to do the gold painting. And this is one of that mold which is getting ready in our workshop, the GRG workshop in the temple of Vedic planetarium. The glass reinforced concrete is different from GRG. Glass reinforced gypsum is used for the comfort ceiling, and this is glass reinforced concrete. This is being done, this mold is being done for the pillars. This is how they do the glass reinforced concrete. This is the first step in the process. First we do clay mold. On the clay mold, we do fiberglass spraying on this clay mold, and from this we have taken it to the GRG mixture, and the mixture is applied on this, and after the mixture is dried, the GRG element is taken for hydrocoating plating. This is the GRC mold. From this we make pillars for the exteriors of the temple. And right now what I am showing you is the capital of the pillar, and this capital is being done in GRC. And GRC, we make a mold, and from this mold we can make 100 pieces from this mold. If we have to carve, you can see this intricate carving in this. If we have to carve this in marble, it will take years to carve one piece. Right now, once we make this mold, we can make 100 pieces within 2 hours. I'm cutting the plywood, which will be used to make all the molds, whether GRC, GRG, every mold needs the plywood so that it can act as a base to hold the fiberglass, the GRG, the GRC mold. We are right now here in the Nrsimhadev Temple Hall. I'm going to show you the progress, the false ceiling, the comfort ceiling, the altar, the civil works, the marble works, everything is going on full swing. This Nrsimhadev Temple is designed by Soha Mataji and Rangavati Mataji. Soha Mataji has put in so much effort to make this Nrsimhadev Temple Hall so grand, exquisite, for the pleasure of Lord Nrsimhadev and Srila Prabhupada, the grand Lord Nrsimhadev Temple. And what you see on top is the false ceiling. There are 2 layers of false ceiling. The calcium silicate false ceiling. After that we have acoustic comfort ceiling. So acoustically, aesthetically, everything is perfectly done in the Nrsimhadev Temple Hall. The acoustic sheet which goes on the frame, and below this acoustic sheet, behind this acoustic sheet, you have this glass wool, so which will absorb all the noises which comes from the temple. So there is no reverberations. The reverberation time is very less. The calcium silicate sheet on the top, and below this calcium silicate sheet is the glass wool, and below that glass wool is the acoustic ceiling, and below that is this sheet which comes, so that which makes the total false ceiling looks very beautiful with all the design elements in the false ceiling. Now the false ceiling, we have fire alarm, sprinklers, we have AC ducts, we have electrical works for the lightings. So the total MEP package, mechanical, electrical and plumbing, has been done above the ceiling. So the MEP work has been completed. Now the false ceiling is going on, the comfort ceiling is there, the civil interior works has to be done. After that, in 2023 by October, Nrsimhadev Temple is ready for opening. Thanks for watching this update. Log on to www.TOVP.org for more information. Let us all participate in this marathon. We are running a marathon for 2 years. Our slogan is "We run and you win." There are medallions, there are awards and there are cups. There are golden medallion, silver medallion and bronze medallion. Let us take this opportunity. Let us sponsor a gold medallion for the pleasure of Lord Nrsingadev. Let us all come together and build this temple for the pleasure of Srila Prabhupada. Let us together open this Lord Nrsingadev temple by October 2023, and we will have a grand celebration of the opening of the Nrsingadev temple. From Amrish Prabhu and the rest of the TOP team, thank you so very much.